Hello guys, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I will introduce the feature that automatically increases interaction for Instagram Reels. This is the Instagram automation tool that I use. With this software, you can manage unlimited Instagram accounts. In previous videos, I already talked about this feature. Today, I will show you how to comment on Instagram Reels. First, I will select a video on Instagram. This video has no likes and no comments yet. Now, I will increase the views, comments, and likes for this video. To increase comments, we first need to create comment content. Go back to the IG bot. Then go to Content Management. Here, I will create a category. Inside the category, it will contain many content lines that you added. I already created a content category called Comment Reels. In this content, I set the spin structure. The bot will randomly choose one of these lines to comment on the posts. I will create the content like this. Each line is separated by the pipe symbol. Then I click Save. If you don't have this content yet, create it here. Just type it here. Choose Comment as the content type. Select the content category. Choose the Instagram platform. Then enter your content here. Now let's go back to the main part. Increasing interaction for Instagram Reels. Go to the seeding function. Here we have seeding Reels. Seeding means doing actions like view, like, comment, save, and so on. I will choose these options, like save, view, comment. Then I will select the comment content that I just created and save. Next, I will choose the account category. For example, I have many accounts here. But today, I only want to use these categories to interact with the video I need. So I will select only these account categories. Now I will copy the URLs of the Reels videos that I want to increase interaction for. Each link will be one line. I will type 3 links, which means 3 videos for likes and comments. You can see these posts do not have any likes or comments yet. Okay, save it. Now I will set the random settings. One account interacts with how many videos? For example, from 1 to 3 videos. Each account will randomly interact within this range. Below is the watch time setting. It means how long the bot lets the account watch the video. I will set it from 15 to 35 seconds. And I will also choose actions like and save, like I said before. Then I will select all accounts. Before starting, make sure to set the thread number. Threads mean how many accounts open at the same time. For example, if I set 10 threads, the bot will run the first 10 accounts. After they finish, it will automatically move to the next 10 accounts until all accounts are done. When everything is ready, click Start. The bot will automatically open the accounts in the background. No need to open the browser. This reduces errors and saves hardware resources a lot. While running, it will show the actions of each account. Every account will have a random time to make it look like real human behavior. You will also see the history of actions. After watching the video, the bot will move to the next actions. I will fast forward this part. Alright, the bot is almost done. Now I will open the videos and check the results. Let's reload the page. You can see the view count has increased. Here we have 20 likes and 20 comments. All comments are random according to our content settings. If you need more automation tools like this, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.